So y'all really showed up for me on my first medical courier video. I have gotten so many messages, comments, and some really good feedback, and I truly love it and appreciate it. So I had to come back and make a part 2. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start your medical courier business step by step, including what you'll need and how much you can potentially make. Because let me tell you, there are people in this business making real money, and the demand is only going up. Welcome back to my business vibe. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping you escape the 9-to-5 and build the freedom life you actually want through smart business ideas and realistic side hustles. And becoming a medical courier, that might be the exact door you've been looking for. So, quick recap. What is a medical courier? A medical courier is an independent contractor who helps the healthcare industry by transporting critical medical items, things like lab samples, medications, patient records, and even medical equipment. You don't need a degree, you don't need a commercial license, but you do need to know the basics and be reliable, because lives may literally depend on what you're delivering. So, step 1, the basic requirements: a valid driver's license, clean driving record, insured and reliable vehicle under 10 years old, and a smartphone with a GPS app. The basic tools you'll need: temperature controlled containers, tamper evidence seals, vehicle inspection reports, and route planning apps like Upper or On Fleet. Certifications: HIPAA compliance, OSHA bloodborne pathogens, as well as biohazard transport. Those are the necessary certifications that you'll need. Now, to stand out and really build trust, which means higher paying clients or contracts, you would need to get your TWIC card and TSA PreCheck, which will allow you authorized access to U.S. ports and U.S. airports. Step 4, apply to courier companies or secure your own contracts. You will want to check out Stat Courier, Diligent USA, Lab Logistics, Courier Express. Or you can also reach out to local clinics, labs, and pharmacies on your own. And you already know I got y'all covered. You can use the pitch templates, sample emails, price breakdowns, and all the info you'll need to hit the ground running right inside my medical courier blueprint, linked in the description. And here is a basic breakdown on how to price your services based on short routes, long routes, and hourly pay range. So I have to keep it real with you and go over some pros as well as cons with this business. Pros, of course, you'll be working independently. You get to choose your own schedule, low startup costs with this business model, great earning potential, and it's also in demand everywhere. The cons is, of course, you'll be doing a lot of driving. Do not get into this business if you don't know how to drive or if you don't like driving. You must follow health regulations to the T. The regulations are strict and you have to follow them completely. The wear and tear on your vehicle, of course, and the income is not always consistent at the very beginning, which is the case pretty much with every business, right? Now, here are some things you should absolutely always do. Keep your certifications on you when you're making these deliveries. Track your mileage and expenses. Follow the strict delivery protocols. Keep your car clean and professional, right? That should go without saying. So now here are some things that you should never ever do. Don't take a job without understanding what you are transporting. This is important. Don't ignore client communications. Don't rely on your memory. Use tools so that you'll stay organized with this business. So look, this is not a flashy get rich thing, right? But if you are serious, consistent, and do the work, being a medical courier can absolutely get you out of the 9-to-5 and give you the freedom that you are looking for. So if you've learned anything in this video, hit that like button. Got questions? drop them below. Have ideas for what you want me to cover next? Leave them in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe because I've got more business ideas coming soon. And as always, thanks so much for vibing with me. And this is my business vibe. And until next time.